president of the company, and what I've been focusing on is basically streamlining our production as much as possible, from the initial concept phase right through to the finished shop drawings. We're trying to shorten that time window and make sure that any revisions that we do have can happen quickly and efficiently. I was looking for a tool that would help us to streamline that process, and then I came across OpenBOM. OpenBOM helps us with having live linked bills of materials to our CAD files. That is the game changer for us. Time is money when you're running a business, and OpenBOM has saved us countless hours. The OpenBOM add-in for SolidWorks is amazing because it allows us to work in SolidWorks and not constantly be switching back and forth between an Excel spreadsheet and other costing software. We can check and see our total costs or anything that we need to in the plugin, and you just click the button, go get a coffee, come back in a couple of minutes, and the whole thing's done for you. It's amazing. One of my favorite features of OpenBOM is it allows me to take the costing information at a very granular level. My labor is this much, my materials this much. That's basically my part cost in a nutshell right there. I can roll that up here, multiply it by the quantity, and so for these two side panels, it's going to cost me $62.12. I've really enjoyed working with the OpenBOM team because they're very responsive. The team's been very helpful getting us up to speed, making sure that we understand how to get the most out of the software. One thing I really appreciate about OpenBOM is how they're adding new features all the time, and they are surprisingly quick at getting those released.